Hello everyone, my name is Archibald Christian A. Andrada, and I'm going to tackle what is highway and railroad engineering. So what is highway and railroad engineering? So according to what I've searched, a branch of civil engineering that includes planning, construction, operation, and maintenance of roads, bridge, and related infrastructure to ensure effective movement of people and goods. It is a specialized field within the discipline of transportation engineering. So in here, the transportation engineering are the one who plan and design the road for the people to be safety when using it. And before we tackle about the subtopics, we must define what is transportation. According to here, it is the movement of goods and person from place to place and the various means by which such movement is accomplished. So it is clearly understandable what is the meaning of transportation. So let's proceed to the next. So next is importance of transportation. Transportation has a lot of significance in human life. Things need to move from one place to another. Transportation has evolved over the course of time. It has become much faster than ever before. And as we all know, we people nowadays are very relying on any mode of transportation for us to transfer our goods or to travel to different types of places for us to communicate or visit someone. So that is how important is transportation is. Next. And as we all know, there are different modes of transportation. So we have first, road transport. Second, rail transport. Third, air transport. And fourth, water transport. So, road transport. It involves moving passenger or goods with vehicles over a prepared surface, the first and most common mode of transportation. So this is the most common mode of transportation of all because we always see it in when we pass by in this certain type of roads. Rail transport. It is more safe than other land transport system. Railway transport is capable of high levels of passengers and cargo. Also, it is one of the fastest modes of the land transport. So yes, uh, even though here in Mindanao we have no rail transport, but in other countries they develop this kind of transportation for their goods to be transported or transferred into another places in the fastest way without any delays or traffics. Next, air transport. It is the movement of passengers and cargo by any conveyance that can sustain controlled flight. And here, it is the most fastest way to transfer goods and passengers compared to land or rail transportation. Next. Water transport. It is the intentional movement of by water over large distances. The cost of operation of water transport is also very less. It has the largest carrying capacity and is most suitable for carrying bulky goods over long distances. Yes, this is the most compatible mode of transportation when delivering or importing and delivering goods to long distances. And for me, it is one of the most dangerous mode of transportation because we don't know what would be the condition of the sea on that time. Next, scope of highway engineering. So in here, development, planning, and of location of roads. Uh, they consider the road safety here for them to plan it very well for us people to use it in a very safe way to avoid any accidents. And they also included here the materials required for their construction for the roads not to be damaged very quickly or destroyed. So, highway traffic performance and its control. They consider also the design to avoid the delay of traffic or to avoid any traffic jams. And next is drainage or roads and etc. Yes, of course. They considered to make any drainage or roads and etc. for the roads to last long enough for us to use it in a very long way. Because without drainage, the road may be destroyed very quick because of the soil erosion or etc. Next, characteristic of road transport. Uh, Roads are used by many types of vehicles. Road transport offers complete freedom to road users, relatively small investment for government, short distance traveled, road transport saves time, road transport is open to all person, speed and movement is directly related with the severity of the accident. So the characteristic is very understandable for us. So thank you, and that is all about my report.